What's up, guys? Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, we'll be doing the price prediction of SCRT. SCRT is the native token of the secret network. It's a privacy focused layer 1 blockchain enabling encrypted smart contracts. So, this is a token that enables you to be able to deploys private smart contracts, unlike Monero and Zcash that you only use it for transactions. Like those particular tokens are used for privacy transaction, but the secret network is actually used for deploying private smart contract. That's the major difference. So, in case you want to deploy a smart contract in private, you use a blockchain like the secret network. The native token is SCRT. It's used to pay for gas fees within the ecosystem, staking and governance. The usual drill of take tokens of a native blockchain. It has actually raised over $400 million in funding from different venture capitals like Coin Funds, Alameda Research back in the day, and some other VC funding and all of that. So this token has integration and partnership with some private companies, also have some partnership within the cloud computing ecosystem. So if you look at this token has basically been in accumulation for a long time. I would say since 2023, and we're currently in 2025. This is a weekly time frame, and believe me, I believe this token is just about to spike to the upside. It has literally been so quiet for a long time, and accumulation has been going on. Currently, we're seeing a bullish divergence, and we're also seeing a bullish MACD histogram on the weekly time frame, which is often the longer time frame. So it often gives you the most moves in terms of move over a period of time, period of months, compared to you seeing the same setup on the weekly time frame, or sorry, on the daily time frame, or on the 4 hour 1 hour time frame. So the lower the time frame, the less impactful elements such as divergence is and histogram. But the higher time frame, it means that it's more impactful. So we're likely going to spike to the upside soon. Let's take a look at the tokenomics. The tokenomics is something that is actually worth looking at, because the token actually has decent tokenomics. It's There's not a lot of the tokens in quote. It's just something I would say is fair. Although the token has a mass supply of infinity, it's subject to token inflation of about 9 to 15% per annum. So, which is not still a lot, that's still fair enough considering the fact that the circulating supply is not much. Same with the total supply. Circulating supply is just 312.91 million, which is not much, and about 10% annual inflation would be around 31 million tokens. So for it to ever get to a billion, it will take a couple of years. So this is a very, very good token in terms of tokenomic structure, because I actually built and deployed tokenomics. So I could easily tell you if a tokenomics is good or bad, but the infinity is still a little bit of a red flag. But coupled with the fact that the circulating supply is not so much, it's great. So the all-time high is 10 bucks, $10.64, while the all-time low happened just last month, June 22nd, 2025, at 0.13. So it's like that was the bottom, like the bottom. So it can only go to the upside from here. So what's my price prediction? My price prediction is $5 for this token. That's my conservative price prediction, $5 for this token. The market cap is quite low. At $5, it's going to be um let's say around 1.5 billion in market cap, which is not so much for a token of this nature. because with a token like this that enables you to deploy a smart contract privately, there will be a lot of people who may want an institution who may want to get involved in stuff like this with time, especially with AI and cloud computing. This is Crypto Wolf. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.